Hi guys, I've got something fun and different for you today. Right here in my house, I've got 2 cases of the new over-the-counter Dexcom Stelo CGM continuous glucose monitor. It helps you see what your body's doing with glucose that you eat, all those carbs that we eat. How's your body handling it? I've been using a CGM for about 6 months and it was amazing. I love seeing the data of how my body reacts to different things and then being able to make changes immediately based on that data. So I'm super excited to start offering this as part of my programs. It is a great tool to help with weight loss. And I know a lot of you ladies out there are looking to lose a few pounds or maybe more than a few pounds. This is a great tool because when our blood sugar, our blood glucose is continuously high, we have high insulin. Insulin actually triggers us to store that extra fuel, the glucose, as fat. Also, insulin tells our body to slow down, breaking down fat that we already have. So if we're eating a low-calorie diet, but it's high in carbs, and our insulin is continuously high, even though we're low-calorie, we could still be triggering our body to hang on to that fat, not burn the fat that we're trying to lose. And so this can be a really good tool to kind of balance that blood sugar, get a little better idea of what's going on in the body if we're starting to get some insulin resistance, and help us kind of break that plateau and start losing weight. So I'm super excited to start offering these as part of our toolkit when we do the cleaning resets. And then I'm gonna be working on a program too that's just like continuous support for healthy nutrition, balancing that blood sugar, losing weight. I've got a new platform coming out and I'm super excited. I'll do another video about that later, but let's go ahead and open this up. I wanna see what these look like. So they come in a pack of 2 when you buy them. So each sensor lasts 2 weeks. So you get a 2-pack, so it lasts a month. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh. Oh, first thing when I open it says, "We're so glad you're here." I'm glad you're here, and I'm glad this is exciting. Okay, here's what it looks like. The new Stelo. Fun. So cute little purple box. I like that. Track your blood sugar 24/7. Waterproof, and it connects with your phone. There's an app so you can see what's going on with your body. We can also connect so that I can see what's going on and coach you on one-to-one about what's going on with your blood sugar. So can't wait to start rolling out this new phase of Thrive RX and talk to you later.